have people who will run and get tested a couple times a week who are not sick. And I think that makes it more difficult for people who actually are symptomatic.
Tonight, a message from Florida's governor. Don't get tested unless you really need it. Good evening, I'm Keith Kate.
And I'm Jennifer Lee. That message comes as some testing sites warn they may run out of supplies.
During a stop in Naples today, the governor pleaded with Floridians to only get tested if they are symptomatic or high risk. News Channel 8's Melanie Michael live at the Tampa newsroom with more on the governor's plea.
Well, good evening to you both. You know, we've seen in recent weeks just how crowded our testing sites have been here in Florida. And today the governor made it very clear. He wants people to get tested, but only if they truly need it. Otherwise, he says, it is a waste of resources. People were lined up Tuesday morning before testing sites even opened in Tampa. There's no doubt the demand is high, and state leaders are worried supplies may run low. Governor DeSantis urging Floridians to get tested only if they're sick.
When you have people that are just healthy and they say, oh, I saw it on the news, I'm going to run in and get tested to see if I'm sick, that ends up creating, I think, more stress on our testing capacity.
Some patients at the new Al Barnes Park testing site in Tampa waiting in line for 4 hours or more. Both state and health officials are concerned that some people are possibly getting tested multiple times just for peace of mind when they're actually asymptomatic.
Because there's been such a rush on testing nationwide, what you find is the vast majority of people being tested actually do not have symptoms.
At Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital, not only has testing been at a higher level, but also the number of patients being hospitalized has increased due to the Omicron variant.
We're also seeing a lot more patients get admitted to the hospital that need more critical care as well.
Live your life like you would have before COVID. You know, we weren't out testing, do I have the flu, do I have this prior to COVID. This is kind of a new thing that's been put in. And so that's not the best posture to think that you can't live your life without getting negative tests all the time.
Now, once again, the governor is not discouraging people from getting tested if they truly need it. He says he just wants to make sure as the Omicron variant continues to spread, there are enough supplies, testing supplies, I should say, to go around for people who have those COVID symptoms. In the news center tonight, I'm Melanie Michael, 8 on your side.